Are you tired of manually hunting for overdue tasks in Jira? In 2 minutes, I will show you how to find every overdue issue instantly. We will use Jira's built-in filter system to create a custom overdue filter. Here is the step-by-step. So first, go ahead and open your Jira account. Just log in like you normally would and get to your main project dashboard. I will be working from a real project here, so you can see exactly how this looks in practice. Now, look over at the left side panel. You will see an option labeled Filters. Click on that. This is where Jira keeps all its search and filtering tools. It is a lot more powerful than just scanning a board manually. Once you click Filters, you will see an option that says Search Work Items. Go ahead and click that. This opens up the advanced search view, which is where the real magic happens. At the top of the search area, you will see a button that says More Filters. Click on it. This expands the filter options and gives you access to all the different field types you can search by. This is the key to building a precise filter. So now, in the search bar that appears, go ahead and type the words due date. As you type, Jira will start suggesting matching fields. You will see a list pop up. Click on the option that says due date. This tells Jira that you want to filter based on the due date field of your tasks. Now, after you click on due date, a set of condition options will appear. From that list, click on the one that says overdue. This is the magic setting. It automatically selects any issue where the due date has already passed. Once you have selected overdue, click the update button. Jira will now process the filter and show you every single issue that is past its due date. It really is that fast. No more scrolling through boards or manually checking dates. And here is the really important part. Once you see those results, you can save this filter so you never have to rebuild it again. Just click the Save Filter button near the top of the page. A small window will pop up asking you to enter a filter name. Type something simple like Overdue Issues. You can name it whatever makes sense for your team. Then click Save. That is it. Now, anytime you want to see overdue tasks, you just go back to Filters, find your saved filter, and click it. All those overdue items appear instantly. That is the whole process, from manually checking each card to having a single click that surfaces everything you need. Give it a try in your own project, and you will wonder how you managed without it.